Have you ever noticed there isn't just one type of garbage truck? In fact, waste collection is actually a whole system of highly specialized vehicles, each designed for a different job: commercial pickup, residential routes, bulk collection, construction debris, and more. Today, I'm breaking down every major type of garbage truck in detail, how they work, and the companies that manufacture them. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a garbage truck the same way again. First up, front-loader garbage trucks. Front loaders are the heavy-duty workhorses of commercial waste collection. You'll usually see them behind grocery stores, shopping centers, warehouses, and restaurants, anywhere that produces large amounts of compacted trash in dumpsters. These trucks are typically built on heavy-duty chassis from manufacturers like Mack Trucks, Peterbilt, Freightliner, Western Star Trucks, and Autocar Trucks. On top of those chassis, the garbage body is usually built by companies like Heil Environmental, McNeilus Truck and Manufacturing, New Way Trucks, and the WIT division of Labrie Environmental Group. Here's how they work. Two heavy steel forks on the front lift a commercial dumpster over the cab and dump it into a hopper. Inside the body, a hydraulic packer blade compresses the waste deeper into the truck, so it can carry massive amounts of trash efficiently. Next is rear-loader garbage trucks. Rear loaders are the classic garbage trucks most people recognize in residential neighborhoods. These are commonly built by Heil, McNeilus, New Way, and the Leach division of Labrie on chassis from Mack, Freightliner, Peterbilt, and Autocar. Waste is loaded through the rear hopper either manually by sanitation workers or with automated cart tippers. Once the waste enters the hopper, a hydraulic packer blade cycles forward and compresses the trash into the body. Rear loaders are especially useful in older neighborhoods, tight streets, and areas where crews may need to manually handle extra bags or bulky waste. Now let's move into side loaders, which come in two main types: manual and automated. Manual side loaders are operated by a driver and sometimes one or two workers. These trucks are built by manufacturers like Heil, McNeilus, New Way, and Labrie Environmental Group itself. The worker brings bins to a lifting mechanism mounted on the side of the truck. The lift grabs the container, raises it upward, and dumps the contents into the hopper. Manual side loaders are less automated but more flexible, especially in cities with inconsistent bin placement or non-standard containers. Automated side loaders, also known as ASLs, are much more advanced and are usually operated entirely by one driver. Manufacturers like Heil, McNeilus, New Way, and Labrie build these highly automated systems on chassis from Freightliner, Mack, Peterbilt, and Autocar. The driver uses joystick controls and camera systems to line up the truck with a curbside cart. A robotic arm extends from the side of the body, grabs the cart, lifts it over the hopper, empties it, and places it back down in just a few seconds. Automated side loaders greatly improve efficiency and reduce labor costs because one operator can service hundreds of homes without leaving the cab. Next is roll-off trucks. Roll-off trucks are designed for construction sites, demolition work, industrial cleanup, and large-scale debris removal. Unlike standard garbage trucks, roll-off trucks use either a cable hoist system or a hook lift system to load and unload huge open-top containers. These systems are commonly built by companies like Galbraith, Stellar Industries, Swap Loader, and AmRep on heavy-duty chassis such as Mack Granite, Peterbilt vocational models, Western Star, and Kenworth. When a container is full of debris like concrete, roofing material, dirt, wood, or scrap metal, the truck pulls the container onto rails on the chassis and transports it to a landfill or transfer station. Next are split-body rear loaders. Split-body rear loaders are specialized trucks designed to collect two separate waste streams at the same time, usually trash and recycling. These trucks are commonly manufactured by Heil, New Way, and the Leach division of Labrie. The body is divided internally into two compartments, so materials stay separated during collection. For example, one side may hold regular household garbage, while the other side holds recyclable materials like cardboard, plastic, and metal. These trucks allow municipalities to collect multiple waste streams in one pass, reducing route times and fuel usage while keeping materials separated. Finally, there are grapple trucks. Grapple trucks are used for bulky waste collection, storm debris, tree limbs, and large piles of material that normal garbage trucks can't easily handle. These trucks are commonly built using crane systems from companies like Palfinger and Peterson Industries, mounted on heavy-duty chassis. The truck uses a hydraulic boom arm with a large grapple claw attached to the end. The operator controls the grapple using joysticks to pick up bulky debris and load it into a large dump body or debris container. Grapple trucks are especially important after storms or during city bulk pickup programs because they can quickly remove huge piles of waste without manual labor. So when you put it all together, garbage trucks aren't just one type of vehicle. They are a complete ecosystem of specialized machines built for very different jobs. From front loaders servicing commercial dumpsters, to automated side loaders running residential routes, to grapple trucks clearing storm debris, every truck is designed around a specific purpose and collection method. So the next time you see a garbage truck driving down the street, you'll know exactly what kind of truck it is and what role it plays in keeping cities running.